it's Amelia and welcome to another unboxing video. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of April's teen subscription pack, and the theme for this month's pack is food insecurity. As always, follow our social media platforms above, and without further ado, we'll get started with our unboxing video. So the book for this month's pack is The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian by Sherman Alexie, and a little short summary about this book is that the main character, whose name is Junior, lives on Spokane Indian Reservation and actually has a lot of medical problems. Now, despite all of these hardships, he still is trying to be a budding cartoonist, and in addition to that, he wants to get a really good education. Now, however, the only school available to him at the time is an all-white school, and the only other Indian there other than himself is the mascot. Now, because of this, he actually receives a lot of backlash and is even considered a traitor from his people. However, he is able to endure all of these hardships and continue striving forward as he finds this new strength within himself that he didn't even know he had. So if you're interested in learning more about Junior's story and his adventure through all of this, be sure to check out the book, The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian by Sherman Alexie in this month's pack. Now, in addition to this book, we are also having a book club at the YDL Michigan location on May 3rd and 17th from 5 to 6 p.m. So if you're interested in talking about this book with other teens, be sure to check that out and stop by, and we'll be happy to have you guys. So now that we've covered the book for this pack, we'll be getting more into the content of the pack. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first off, as always, we have the bag for this month's pack, and for this month we have this ginormous bag filled with French cats, and I say French because they're wearing berets and have that classic blue and white striped shirt. And personally, I really like to use this for like grocery shopping because it's big and you can carry like a bunch of stuff in it, such as like snacks, maybe not so much like a big tub of orange juice, or actually it might be able to fit, but it might be a bit difficult, but it's really nice to hold like a lot of stuff in here because it's so big. Next up we have our teen newsletter, and I'll just go ahead and read off what we have for you guys. So it says, "Hello YDL teens, we hope you are doing well. This month we crafted our pack around food insecurity. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, food insecurity is the lack of consistent access to enough food for an active, healthy life. In 2020, this problem impacted 1 in 8 people in the United States, which is 38 million Americans, roughly 12 million of them being children. To learn more about food insecurity, please click the QR code below. It's an important issue in our country that is causing disparity and injustice. A food desert is an area that lacks nearby access to healthy food. If we look deeply into the history of our country, we can see that food deserts were perpetuated by racist practices in the United States. In the past, a practice called redlining was used by the government to map out areas within a particular city. Areas of properties that were more valuable, had access to better resources, were near highly funded school districts, or were closer to booming metropolitan areas, were often withheld from people of color. This has continued to affect people to this day, as minorities are more likely to be settled within food deserts. As teens, we need to work to uplift others and recognize the privileges we have. A better future means that everyone has access to enough healthy food and opportunities. Please remember to reach out and let us know what you think about our packs. We love hearing your feedback. Cheers, the teen interns at YDL." And here are those QR codes that I just listed in the newsletter. Also like a little list about what exactly we hold in this pack, which I'll obviously get more into later. And over here to the side is sort of a Q&A with one of our teen interns, Sophie, since she has had experience working at Growing Hope herself. And as always, the back is a QR code to our playlist, Tag Your It, our podcast, sorry, that playlist. And also who brings these pack to you guys, which is us, but also Gen Z. and also another QR code for us to listen to your story, and we'd be glad to hear what you guys want to say about our teen subscription packs. So next up, this pack is filled with fun snacks that we want you guys to try, but they're also filled with a couple of pins and stickers. So those pins and stickers include the Orange Hunger Awareness sign. So we have that here, and we also have the pin right here. I actually have 3 of these pins, but yep, and this is our sticker and pin for this month's pack. And then onto the food aspect, which is practically every single item in this pack. We first have a couple of blow pops with different like flavors. For example, like this one's grape, this one's watermelon. And then we also have Rice Krispies, again with different flavors. This one's buttermilk ranch that I have, and the other one is apple cinnamon. And honestly, I'm really interested in trying the apple cinnamon. I don't think I've ever tried that one before, but that's going to be interesting. And then next we have fig bars, which what I'm assuming is they're kind of like filled with like jam inside, and this is what they look like. Sorry, there's a little glare on that. We also have seaweed. I love seaweed so much, so this is going to be really nice to have as a snack on the go. And then finally, we have plant seeds. Personally, I don't know if there was a variety with this, but for me, I have these green bean plant seeds, and it's kind of basically, I guess, the DIY portion of it in this pack in a way, because you get to plant your own seeds and actually watch it grow, which is really fun. And I don't think I've ever grown my own food before because I live in an apartment, so that's gonna be really interesting. And since these seeds do seem pretty small in here, I think it'll be manageable. So that's what we have. And that's what we have in this pack for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. As always, follow our social media, and I hope to see you guys in the next unboxing video. Bye!